Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this gorgeous unit that I got from Alipearl. This is their 28-inch wavy hair. It is so beautiful. So if you guys are interested in how I installed this unit, just keep watching. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is taking this wig out of the bag. This wig was so beautiful. The natural wave that it comes in already was just so gorgeous. I didn't want to like wash it or do anything to it, but I did have to bleach my knots and dye my wig jet black because I think jet black looks better on my skin. I love jet black hair. So I'm going to go ahead and just bleach the knots to this unit and dye this wig jet black. Now that I've dyed my hair and bleached the knots, I'm gonna be doing my install. I am doing the ball cap method. You guys, I've done this so many times on my page, but you guys know I love ball cap methods when it comes to installing my wig. I love when it looks like it's growing out of my scalp, and I think that that's like the best way for me to achieve that. So I'm gonna be using a nude wig cap, and then I'm just gonna use my foundation, which is my Revlon in the color 550, and I'm gonna just apply that onto my wig cap, and then I'm just gonna cut the wig cap without cutting it all off. I cut it off halfway and then I flip it, and then I just keep it like that just so that I don't have to tie the back. Once I've done my ball cap method, I apply my wig, and this wig is just so beautiful. 28-inch of pure greatness. I love the jet black. Like, honestly, this wig was just everything. I did pluck this wig off camera, but I didn't have to pluck too much because the wig was kind of a little bit pre-plucked. So keep that in mind, not to pluck too much. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip my wig cap back, and then I'm just gonna apply my glue on my head. I'm gonna link the glue that I used in the description down below so you guys can check it out. And I'm just gonna apply 2 layers of this glue, and I'm just gonna blow dry on cool and warm setting at the same time. grab an elastic band and I'm just gonna tie it around before I even cut my lace. Honestly, if you want your lace wigs to last a very long time, do this step and I promise you your wig is gonna last a while. I've been doing this lately with my installs and I've definitely been knowing the difference in it. And then once it like sits for like 10 minutes, I'm gonna cut off my lace. I cut off all the lace and glue down the flaps, I'm gonna spray my hair with spritz, and then I'm gonna put on this wig band that Alipearl sent with this wig, and I'm just gonna let it sit. I should just go to bed, and I was like, I'll see you guys in the morning because I was tired. And my installs take so long. Like when I do my wig, it's a whole day process, so I just decided to go to bed. Good morning. So I am gonna start to wand this hair. Child, this is gonna take me forever, but it's so worth it because once you see the result, guys, you're gonna be like, yeah, definitely worth it. I'm gonna link the wand that I used in the description down below so you guys can check it out. This is the completed look of this install. So the specs on this wig, it is a 28-inch 250% density body wave wig. I am gonna link it in the description down below for you guys so you guys can check it out. Thank you so much, Alipearl, for sending me this gorgeous unit. If you guys are interested in anything that was used in this video, I will be sure to keep it in the description down below for you guys. 。 though I did like how the length was, I had to cut some layers into this hair because it was so long. So I just used some shears to cut some layers to kind of frame my face.